Hello, and you're watching Clap Tribe. We're back again. Today, we are going to meet a very progressive entrepreneur, and she's taking this business to a different pinnacle altogether. And this legacy of quality, customer service, perfect delivery, affection, love, and care is being carried forward for 100 years. Let's start with the introduction part, then we'll reveal. Hi, Amani. Products.
Hi.
How are you doing?
I'm all good, all excited to, just show you a lot of stuff.
Okay,
Yes.
cool. But we have a culture to follow.
Yes,
And to
okay.
start with, we'll start with the basic question about the company.
Sure.
So, what is the name of the company?
So the name of the company is BNS, and we are dealing in a lot of handloom and things, which is, for example, like a bed sheet and carpets and blankets. And we're more than like 100 years old in this business.
Okay.
Yes, and
100 years old. I'll cut into it. 100 years old.
yes,
Okay.
it's a little hard to believe, but yes, I'm the
So it's a legacy of 100 years old legacy.
yes, and if I talk, then I'm in the 6th generation right now who's handling
Wow.
it, and so
Hats
yeah.
off to you. Not many people have achieved this kind of insignia. You
Yeah.
call it as a goal. Not many people have done this.
Yeah, I think every generation needs to keep on, be at it to
And
do
you're
this.
keeping up to the mark
Yes,
now.
just hoping. Yeah.
Okay, cool. तो ये
Yes.
100 साल पुरानी कंपनी है. हमारे हिंदी
Yes.
व्यूअर्स को भी ध्यान में रखेंगे हम.
Yes. So the
100 साल
trust
से.
is, what we totally believe into, as in, the trust is there with all our wholesalers and retailers with us.
जाहिर सी बात है. Otherwise
Yes.
आप 100 साल तक एग्जिस्ट नहीं कर पाते.
Yes,
Especially
yes.
when the market is so competitive.
Yes.
So क्या बेसिक आपको क्या लगा कि what was the basic success mantra for 100 years?
I think, customer. I mean, the customer service
The
which we
faith on
give.
you?
Yes, the customer service which we give, and hence the faith which they showcase
Embedded
to us.
on you.
Yes. The digital world has just come into place, right? But like back then, it was not there. So how we greet, how we treat, how it's everything with how it's as basic as a return policy, So that all has been a contribution to it. Yeah.
All right. So this is the basic introduction is done.
Yes.
Our viewers are very curious to know.
Yeah.
Then what are we going to show now? So
Yes.
we'll explore. हम कुछ प्रोडक्ट दिखाएंगे.
Yeah.
और वीडियो के एंड में फिर हम कुछ डिस्कस करेंगे. एक
Okay.
शॉर्ट में एक थोड़ा सा ब्रीफ लेंगे कि कैसे परचेज करना है.
Yeah.
तो अभी हम एपिसोड की शुरुआत करें.
Yeah, so basically I will, do the video into 2 parts.
Okay.
One will be, the first part will be about the bed sheets, bed covers, and second will be about the blankets.
Okay.
So that in one video I can show you the whole variety. And also I want to say that, as we are, associated with a lot of wholesalers and retailers, and we are the super wholesalers. So all the variety which I'll show you, we have a lot of quantity into it.
Okay. What
Yeah.
the term is I'm not acquainted with. You
Yeah.
said super wholesaler. What does it mean?
Yes, so because we are into this for like more than 100 years, so there are a lot of wholesalers who are connected with us.
Okay.
So we have built a family. If I talk about the database, this digital world is all based out of like how much database you have. So touchwood, we have a lot of database. So that's why we are super wholesalers in terms of, because we have a family of mini wholesalers connected to us.
All right.
Yes.
We also have done a little bit of survey on your organization, on your company.
Okay.
And we received a very positive response. And in fact,
I'm thankful,
I got
yeah.
to hear it from you कि आपके पास हिंदी वाले जो हमारे व्यूअर्स हैं उनको हिंदी में भी बता दें
Yeah.
कि जो सर्वे कहता है वो ये कहता है कि आपके पास मिलने वाले प्रोडक्ट्स हैं वो मार्केट प्राइस से जो हमारा सर्वे है.
Yes.
You never mentioned this to us. वो हमारे पास जो मार्केट में प्राइस पे जो मिलते हैं
Yes.
ऑलमोस्ट 40% और 50% डिस्काउंट पे आपके पास मतलब हाफ प्राइस पे आपके पास मिल
Yes,
जाते हैं.
that's why we are super wholesalers, because when you buy from us, you can very easily have that margin of 20, 30, 40% and, just sell it out
All
further.
right.
Yes.
Okay. Time to start the
Yes.
rapid fire now. We'll see some products now.
Yes.
Okay. So time to start the rapid
Yes.
fire round.
Yes.
आज के एपिसोड में हम क्या दिखा रहे हैं हमारे व्यूअर्स को?
So as I told that, हम bedsheet से शुरू कर रहे हैं.
अच्छा.
So bedsheet है. It's all about bedsheet and bed cover in this video. Though our, starting range is about 150. It starts with 150. But, for your audience, for the Claptrap audience, we're starting with 320 with a little premium one.
हाँ.
Okay.
So that
Yeah.
was my request I wanted to place
Yes.
because I feel that my family members they want to buy something good in quality. Of course
Yes.
वो सस्ता वाला भी अच्छा होगा.
Yes.
लेकिन प्रीमियम सेगमेंट का हम दिखाएंगे.
Yes.
एक बार फिर से हम अपने व्यूअर्स को रिमाइंड करा दें कि ये जो आप प्राइस बता रहे हो
Yes.
ये मार्केट से ऑलरेडी काफ़ी कम होते हैं. मतलब अगर
Yes.
आप कोई 500 की अगर बेडशीट दिखा रहे हैं तो मार्केट में वो 1000 के आसपास की मिलती है, राइट?
इजीली।
दूसरा सवाल हमारा आपसे वो है कि मेजरमेंट को लेके कि क्या साइज में अवेलेबल है हमारे पास?
सो देयर आर बोथ लाइक 3 साइजेस अवेलेबल होते हैं किसी भी बेडशीट में, वेदर इट्स स्टार्ट्स विद क्वीन, किंग एंड सेमी किंग.
अच्छा.
Okay. So queen is about 90 to 100, which is 7 feet into 8 feet.
Okay.
ठीक है. ये on an average जो normal bed होता है जिसपे 4 इंच तक का mattress होता है उसमें easily आ जाता है.
Okay.
थोड़ा बहुत ऊपर नीचे थोड़ा सा हो सकता है prox हो ये, because everybody has different
Okay.
the
different size of mattress.
Yes.
All right.
So
but generally bedsheet के बारे में एक चीज और कहते हैं, इंटीरियर डिजाइनर एस्थेटिक्स में हम पढ़ रहे थे, whenever you choose a bedsheet make sure it is always larger, because they say larger is better. So at least even if you have a smaller bed or you have a larger bed, this will fit in. So you'll get the right wrinkle free, comfortable, this without any kind of wrinkles.
What we have gone through is that कभी-कभी ये भी होता है कि इतने बड़ा हो जाता है कि they're not able to fit it. Yes, they're not able to manage.
Okay.
So थोड़ा सा अपने बेड के हिसाब से आप कर सकते हैं. There is 90 by 100. There is 90 by 100 which is queen size. This is 90 by 100 into 8, which is semi king.
Okay.
And then there is 108 by 100, which is king.
All right, so 3 sizes we have.
Yes, and
Let's
all the bed sheets which I'll show you will have extra GST, which is 5%.
Okay.
So
Okay.
whatever prices I'm telling you, there will be plus 5% GST, and of course courier will be over and above. Yes.
All right, so we'll start exploring now.
Yes. We'll start with 320. This is the 321, 320, and this is, as I told you, this is a queen size thing,
Okay.
which is 7 feet by 8 feet. This is glaze cotton.
अच्छा.
Yeah.
Glaze cotton is skin friendly.
Yes.
Very comfortable.
Yes.
Cotton होता है.
Cotton होता है जिसके अंदर थोड़ा सा shine होता है basically.
अच्छा, okay.
Yeah. And इसी के अंदर there are a lot of designs which we have.
Okay.
I can show you the designs.
ठीक है. We'll start showing now.
Yes.
अच्छा.
I can.
Okay, so अब हम देखना शुरू करते हैं one after another.
Yes. So
ये same range में है.
yes, same 320, different design, same quality.
Okay.
Okay.
1, 2, 3. ये floral है. ये मेरे ख्याल से.
Yeah, it's like a
geometry है.
Yes,
Geometrical print
geometric. These are like more petals.
Okay.
And this is also geometric. This is also geometric, and I can show you a few pictures also.
Okay.
Just give me a second. Yes, the floral which we saw. So हर एक के साथ you will get these also, so that you can get the look and feel of it.
Okay.
And as I told you that we have also a team. We have a large team who handles the the calling part and the WhatsApp part.
Okay.
So once you tell them that you can take any screenshot, you tell them that we want to showcase this. We are interested in this. तो हम पूरा open करके जैसे हम दिखा रहे हैं.
ठीक है.
We'll showcase you so that you are fully satisfied.
Okay. So
Yes.
this was in the range of 300 and
320.
320.
Plus 5% GST.
We have more designs in this.
Yes, we have.
Okay.
Yeah.
So are we showing the same category or we are going up now?
Now we'll go up, but we
Okay.
have a lot of designs also.
Okay,
In that,
cool.
you can WhatsApp us and we'll show you all the design.
Sure.
Yeah.
Okay. Now the next segment.
Yes. Now we'll move a little
प्राइस के
up.
बेसिस पे हमने इनको सेग्रीगेट किया हुआ है.
Yes, started with 320. Now we're moving to 410.
अच्छा.
Piece 410.
ठीक है.
Yes, and this is pure cotton.
Okay.
Which we also call Bombay cotton. And the size is same, 7 feet by 8 feet, which is 90 by. I
90.
forgot.
Size you were saying, how much?
Yes,
what is the
yes.
size?
Size is the same, which is 7 feet by 8 feet.
Okay.
And this is pure cotton, and this is 410.
Okay.
Yes.
All these bed sheets they come along with two
pillow covers, full
of large
size pillow covers.
ठीक है.
Yes.
All right. So curious, the cat of curiosity is
Yes.
biting. Starting with this. Price आपने mention कर दिया. हम
Yes.
फिर भी बार-बार बताते रहेंगे.
410 plus
This-
5% GST.
अच्छा.
Yes, इसमें I'll also showcase you the.
410. This is the pillow cover.
Yes, I'll show.
इसमें हमारे पास कितने डिजाइन होंगे इस तरह के?
इसमें बहुत सारे डिजाइन हैं. Honestly, मतलब we have about like 10 odd designs.
अच्छा.
Yes,
ठीक है.
yes, I'll show
आगे
you.
और देखते हैं अभी हम. आप.
Yes. So as you can see that we have this where you can easily see.
हाँ.
So this is floral plus geometric. This is
अच्छा.
pure floral. Again floral 410.
अच्छा.
And queen size. This
ये
is
सारे
also very
same category
modern,
में है ना? अच्छा.
very modern design which I personally I like a lot.
अच्छा.
So different colors, different patterns which we have. This is also very nice, which is geometric plus floral.
Okay.
Yes.
ठीक है, क्योंकि ये कॉटन है तो स्किन फ्रेंडली होती है. और डिजाइन है हमारे पास इसमें. अच्छा, और भी है हमारे पास. डिजाइन का ये होता है ना कि कितने भी डिजाइन हम दिखाते हैं हमें कम लगते हैं, लेकिन अवेलेबिलिटी का भी बड़ा फैक्टर होता है। हम उसके
Yes.
बारे में भी एंड में बात करेंगे। कुछ और डिजाइन हमें हमारे व्यूअर्स को दिखाएं। ये थोड़े
Yes.
फास्ट ब्लू कलर में है।
Yes.
ये जो पेस्टल शेड पसंद करते हैं उनके लिए है।
Yeah.
अच्छा, तो ये इस तरह से आपको मिल जाएगा।
Yes.
ये भी पेस्टल शेड में है ना, लाइटर शेड में थोड़ा।
Yeah, pastel to little red it goes.
अच्छा।
Like, हाँ.
एंड देन वी हैव दिस पिंक कलर ones.
Yes, we have dark and light both.
Both the shades.
According to your choice.
Okay.
Yeah.
ठीक है। We'll go to the next segment now.
Yes.
All right. So our
Yes.
next segment.
Yes, now we'll move a little up. We'll go as we've told 324.10 and now 500.
Okay.
ठीक है, now I'll show you basically Jaipuri cotton, like bed sheets में it's very popular, you know, people look for and look out for like Jaipuri print चाहिए, Jaipuri cotton चाहिए. So that's why we have a full range of Jaipuri bed sheet also. This will be semi king size as I told you. This is 19 to 108.
Okay.
Yeah, 7 feet by 9 feet. And also, you know, a word here that, you know, it's not necessary that Jaipuri cotton or Jaipuri bedsheets are only those figures.
Okay.
So, you know, you'll see that how different and varied Jaipuri prints are there.
Okay.
So, you know, I'll just begin with one and
Sure.
you'll get the understanding, yeah.
Look at this one.
Yes.
Very beautiful. I was waiting for this to open up actually. जयपुर का अपना एक खुद का एक ट्रेंड है, ये इंडियन आर्ट एंड कल्चर को रिफ्लेक्ट करता है, जिसमें बहुत ज़्यादा दमास एंड फ्लोरल है ना, बहुत ज़्यादा क्रीपर्स और ये सारे आपको देखने को मिलते हैं। इनके कलर्स भी रिलेटिवली बाकी बेडशीट से थोड़े डिफरेंट होते हैं।
Colors and prints, you in itself will get to know that, you know,
Right.
these are more Jaipuri.
Correct.
And people are huge fan.
Even I am a huge fan of this, and they use a
Yeah.
lot of indigo, lot of flamingo pink, a lot of baby pink. These kind of colors they use,
yes,
right?
Yes, but boy, that's
Okay.
why I'm saying. But we will show you a lot of kinds of Jaipuri prints.
Okay, not
Yeah.
limited to
Yes.
these traditional
Yeah,
ones.
yeah, yeah.
But
Because
they never go out of trend, if you look
yeah,
at
yeah, yeah, of course.
Jaipuri
Yeah.
bedsheets are never going out
For
of
example, this.
Right.
You know, this is
Oh.
not the color palette which a typical
Traditionally
yes,
Jaipur's
yeah, but this
bedsheets
is Jaipuri cotton and is a Jaipuri bed sheet.
Okay.
Yes. Yeah.
trend. This is very different, unusually different. I would like to see few more.
Yes.
So this is the one. We'll not open now.
Yeah.
लेकिन हम क्लोजली देख पाएंगे अभी। तो ये जब भी जो हम पैक देख रहे हैं, ये सारे बॉर्डर होते हैं। ये वाला पार्ट ना, वो
Yes.
पार्ट मिडिल पार्ट है।
Yes. Yes.
अच्छा,
you're
ये
right.
ट्रेडिशनल जयपुरी कलर है।
Yes.
ग्रीन एंड
Yeah,
ब्लूज,
and
they use lot
indigos.
of indigo. I like it. It never goes out of trend. According to me,
And
these are
even
the
these,
showstoppers.
like, you know, even these, like those camels or elephants
Right.
are also very particular.
Right.
Would you want me to show you?
At least one of them.
Yeah.
I mean, I like this one.
Yeah,
मुझे अच्छा लगा भैया, ये दिखाइए एक बार खोल के। अच्छा, this is very different. This is
Yeah.
like Katha work of Bengal, something like that.
Yeah, it is.
Patchwork है क्या?
No, it is printed
अच्छा,
like this.
Oh, yeah.
Yes.
Superb.
Yeah.
Very nice.
Yeah. Do we have Katha work also? But
Okay.
this one is print only.
अच्छा.
Which like
But it looks like, अच्छा,
Yes.
this is print work. Okay, it looks
Yeah.
very prominently handwork.
yes.
Handicraft लगता है
Yes,
पूरा
yes,
ये।
Yes.
And very loud and very bold colors.
Yeah.
And I'm sure if हम लोग बात करते हैं अक्सर इस बारे में कि आपके हर स्पेस में एक फोकस ऑफ अट्रैक्ट वो होता है, फोकल पॉइंट बनता है। When
Yeah.
you have a bedsheet like this becomes the focal point, right?
Yes, yeah. It
So you don't need
actually
to-
becomes like a, you know,
Focal point.
Yes.
All right,
focal
this is
point,
very
yes.
nice. I liked it for the blue color, but then you have to manage the rest of your scheme.
Yes.
आप अपना बैलेंसिंग कर लीजिए डिजाइन का, because this will stand
Yeah,
out.
subtle the
हाँ.
other things out.
करेक्ट।
Yes,
एक
yes.
नीचे ये और है, ये भी देख लेते हैं हम यहाँ
हाँ.
पे। ऐसे हमारे पास कितने डिजाइन हैं?
We have about 10 to 12
अच्छा,
odd
in this.
designs. Yeah.
ओके।
Yeah.
अच्छा, इनके कलर्स का क्या सीन है कि डू दे स्टे फॉर अ लॉन्ग, आफ्टर वॉश दे विल स्टे फॉर अ लॉन्ग, इनकी लाइफ रहती है ना, मशीन वॉश कर सकते हैं इनको?
इनको कर सकते हैं मशीन वॉश, बट यू नो देयर इज नो 100% गारंटी, यू नो, लाइक दीज डेज, लाइक if somebody is telling you that, you know, he's giving 100% guarantee, I don't believe in that.
Okay.
There will be some, you know, wear out, some, you know, percentage of wear out.
Okay.
But yes, because there's no 100% guarantee.
Okay.
However, I use this in my own home. They've never ever faced any issue.
Discolored at all?
Yes.
Okay,
Yes.
cool. This is very nice. I liked it. We'll see the next one?
Yes.
Okay. Going to the next segment.
Yes. Now we'll move to 550.
Okay.
550. इसमें we'll showcase you 3 varieties.
Okay.
Okay. I'll start with Kanta work. Every variety has different sizes.
Okay.
You know, Kanta work is semi king size, by, 90 by 108.
Okay.
And the other two will be queen size, which is 90 by 100.
All right.
Okay.
ठीक है.
Different, cloth material also. We'll showcase you. I'll show you.
Okay.
Yeah.
Now you will see there's my excitement level will go up because the
Yeah.
kind of bedsheet now we are going to show to our viewers. They are
Yes.
going to be my favorite. I have
Okay.
seen some of them. I'm going to tell you why. Little bit of briefing I'll definitely share with you during the time of demo.
Yeah.
Then we'll tell you why it is so popular. So now
I'm
the excitement
also
level has
curious
gone
now.
up. Okay. So let's start with
ठीक
this.
है, yeah,
We
cool.
will start with this one.
Yes.
Okay.
It's Kanta work.
Okay.
And this is
This is
semi king.
traditionally Indian art. आप बताते जाइए. Sorry फिर मैं थोड़ा सा
No,
बताऊंगा.
I was just telling about the size.
Okay.
Yes.
ठीक है. Katha work is traditionally from West Bengal, where women, the tribal art, and people those who lead a bohemian life, they make it. A lot of women are involved in making these kind of. Originally, Katha work is like
Yeah,
this, but they're
yeah.
very expensive, right? The original Katha work is very expensive.
Yes, the original, yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay. So
Those
what
are
we have
very
done, we have
intricately
done.
very
Right.
intricately done.
So what
yes.
we have done, we have basically replicated the same design without
Yeah.
causing any damage to the aesthetics
Yeah.
of Kantha work, just to make it pocket friendly.
Yes,
Right.
yes,
And of
yes.
course it is skin friendly as well. Generally
cotton.
इसमें सारे कलर्स जो होते हैं बड़े वाइब्रेंट होते हैं कांथा वर्क में. आप देखेंगे बहुत सारे इंडिगो, ब्लू, रेड, ग्रीन होते हैं. आगे दिखाते जाइए, अदरवाइज आप बोलोगे कि बहुत बोलता है.
Yes. This
ठीक है,
is
my
550.
favorite. I like it.
Yes.
अच्छा, this is in the range of 550.
550.
Sign-
Yes. Different
अच्छा.
designs, different color patterns. As you're right, color pattern will be about.
Will vary.
Yes. Orange.
Okay.
Color pattern is like blue, orange, red. These are the
अच्छा.
patterns which we.
ओके इसमें एक
more
बहुत बड़ा एक
colourful.
और बेनिफिट भी है हिमांशी, अगर आप देखें कि आप ना इसमें ये बहुत ज़्यादा लाउड कलर्स होते हैं, बहुत ज़्यादा ब्राइट कलर्स होते हैं.
Yes.
और इसमें इतने सारे कलर होते हैं कि अगर आपको कई बार ऐसा होता है बेडरूम में आप 4 पिलोज रखते हैं, तो यू कैन मिक्स एंड मैच.
Yeah,
दो
yeah,
प्लेन
yeah.
ले लें आप, 2 कलरफुल ले लें.
Yes. Yes.
ऐसे भी
This
कर
is how
सकते हैं
your
आप, है ना?
styling
Correct.
can be. Yes.
ठीक है. सो दिस इज इन द ऑरेंज शेड, दिस वन इज आल्सो ऑरेंज, दैट वन इज ग्रीन एंड
Yeah,
रेड.
yeah. They're more like colorful.
Okay.
They're more colorful. Different patterns. One is a mushroom pattern,
Okay.
elephant pattern. So
All
yeah.
right. How
Yes.
many designs we have in this? We have
About 5 to 6.
5 to 6.
5 to 6.
Okay.
Yes. Yes.
Few more in the same range of 550.
550. Yes.
ठीक है.
Now we'll move to batik.
Okay.
Okay.
What is batik? Batik is also a tribal art जैसा कुछ है. अच्छा. Okay, so this is batik art.
Yes, this is batik. I've shown you, like, I'm trying to show you different traditional arts, which people are very, very fond of.
Right.
This is basically, if you melt the wax, and with the help of that is what batik is being made.
This pattern is created.
Yes, and it is also reversible. This bedsheet is reversible, and in 550 it's a steel.
Okay.
When easily I have seen, like, Amazon and Instagram. I don't want to name pages, but yes, where-
Okay. It's
yeah.
Online you find them for how much they are selling it for?
Almost
Lot of
the
basic-
double. Almost.
Almost the
Yes.
double.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes,
All right.
and-
So this has a color warranty also. This will not disfigure.
Yes, this will not, overlap on each other.
Okay, that is
Yes,
for sure.
yes,
Okay.
yes, yes.
And then again, it depends how do you actually treat your
Yes.
textile. That also
Yes.
plays a very important role.
Yeah, how you're
Okay.
washing it and
Right.
yes.
So we go to the next one now. इसके colors देख लेते हैं हम.
Yeah.
इस सब में circular format है या
no,
different
they're
होगा?
different designs.
Okay.
Matlab-
Like this one is circular. ऐसा
Yes,
circle
this
में
one is
पूरा.
circular.
This one is also
like
circular.
this one is not.
अच्छा, this one is
No,
stripes.
This one, yes, this one is striped.
Okay.
This one is also striped. So yeah.
And then we have some motifs also. यहाँ पे कुछ motifs की भी designs हैं हमारे पास. Okay. All right. So in the same range,
Yes.
the new segment.
Yeah.
जैसे हमने पहले देखा काथा,
Yes.
उसके बाद में हमने देखा, उसके बाद में हमने देखा क्या बताया था नीचे आपने?
Batik. Batik.
And this one is called?
This is basically the fabric which will change in this, which is casement. Okay. There are a lot of people who want, the bed sheets are very slippery. They feel that those are very slippery, not अच्छे से नहीं बिछ पा रही हैं. It's very slippery. So
Okay.
that is where a lot of people prefer this casement, which is a thick fabric.
अच्छा, comparatively
Yeah.
thicker, but again this is cotton.
Yes, this is cotton.
Okay,
yes.
okay.
But these are thick, very easily, very stiff on the bed, and it will not move, and it's very nicely,
Correct. And I don't find a reason why this can't be used for the covering purpose as well, because this has a little thicker. I know
Yeah.
I'm getting a little experimental, but sometimes people have habit of this pulling out a bed sheet and just cover it.
Yes.
For the covering purpose also people use it.
Yes. However, there are like bed covers.
Yeah, there are
for
a lot
that.
of bed covers
Those are
available.
bed
Yeah, but
covers.
people have them.
People do confuse like a bed sheet with a bed cover.
Okay,
But,
but
yes.
I like it. My
Yes.
favorite. I like it
Yes.
for the pattern. So evenly
with the-
done. No
yes.
deformity at all. Everything is so printed well.
Yes.
Okay.
This
So
is
this is
also
available in
550,
pink colour?
and this is queen
Now,
size.
Queen size.
Yes, and in this you will see a lot of patterns.
All of them are available for 550 rupees.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes. So you will see varied designs in this.
Okay.
Which from if I show you this, then this is the bed sheet is different, and it has
Pillow
a
covers is
contrast
different.
pillow.
Pillow
So these
covers
are
are
more modern, designs in this.
Okay.
Yes.
Cool. And there's one more, right?
Yeah.
In this? Okay.
Yes,
This is
they-
all in the 550 range.
In the 550 range. Yes.
Okay. Now the next segment.
Yes.
कौन से रेंज में जा रहे हैं अभी हम?
अब we are in 600.
अच्छा.
Okay, yeah, 600. इसमें these are again Jaipuri bed sheets only, pure cotton,
अच्छा.
and I'll showcase you two things
Both the
here.
shades.
Yes, both the shades. There are two color patterns here, color families. One is a darker one, and one is a
Okay.
lighter one.
All right.
Okay,
ठीक
these
है.
are both queen size bed sheets, but beautiful designs. I'll just show you like one. This is
I
the lighter.
can actually guess
yes.
it from the excitement.
Yeah,
okay.
yeah.
I was waiting for this to come.
Yeah,
ये देखिए,
so
this
this
is
is-
so nice.
Yeah, so vibrant and
Very
so
beautiful.
nice.
Okay.
This is
Perfectly suitable for any room.
Yeah.
Be it the kids' room or adults' room, right?
Yes,
This is very
yes.
nice. Okay.
Yeah, this is the lighter
Okay.
family pattern into it, and then now I also show you the designs into it. I'll show you few designs for the lighter one. Okay, yeah. So like this. This
Acha.
is-
Now you. Okay, these are the shades available.
Yes.
I was going too close to have a look at it because this is one textile that we don't get to see too often.
Yes, but again, as I told you, it's Jaipuri. So Jaipuri. When you go to Jaipur, I've just visited the city. You
Okay.
will get these kind of
Designed.
prints.
Okay,
Yes,
these kind
yes.
of. They're very traditionally Jaipuri, right?
Yes, they
Okay.
are. So this was the lighter family of it. Now I'll showcase you the same 600 darker family.
Okay.
Okay, like people are very, very
Color conscious.
into these kind of bed sheets also. These are traditional. Those again the indigo shades which we were talking about. 600, and I'll showcase you the designs with this.
Okay. Honestly speaking, I mean, I have to make an honest confession. This was packed and आप डालते जाओ. This is in the same range, 600
Yes.
के range
yes.
में है सारा. I could not actually guess it unless it was packed. The moment you open it, it turns out to be a different thing altogether. It's looking very nice.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay, so it's
of
very
course.
difficult to judge when they are packed, right?
Yeah,
Unless
yes.
you open them.
So
Okay,
yes,
that's
yes,
all.
yes. So that's why we're saying that if you you just take a screenshot and because of also the length of the video, it's not possible for me to
Show
open
all of them.
Yes,
Correct.
But yes, but when we are dealing one to one, on WhatsApp, then we will show you the everything by opening it, the cushion along with it,
Okay.
and complete. Most of the time we also style it like when we click the picture, we
Correct,
style it with proper those two cushions so that you can get the feel.
Right.
Yeah.
And now the next segment or this segment? We go to the next one now?
Yes.
Okay. Okay, so next segment as in the design wise or price wise? Design
No, so we I'll also show you one more in the same
Same 600
in the same
segment.
segment. Yes,
Okay.
which is 9 by 9 feet, and
okay.
look, this is glaze cotton.
Oh,
Yeah,
okay.
this is glaze cotton, and a lot of designs in this. I'll just show you.
Very, very abstract and very
Yes.
Western,
So,
this
yeah,
one?
yeah. This is more modern touch into it, where actually people ask that we're looking for more geometric, we're looking for more different, which will stand out. So if I'll show you this.
Okay.
So these are all different
Kind of patterns and
yes,
design.
Yes.
Okay,
yes.
but they all are in the range of 600.
Yes, 600.
Okay.
Again, yeah.
Cool. Okay, so
Yeah.
next segment.
Yes. Now let's move to 650.
Okay.
And in this 650 now there will be very varied product lines which I'll show you.
Okay.
From a little fancy, which is a little golden foil work,
Okay.
to a stick figure Jaipuri, to glazed cotton, like a bigger size, and very new modern print bed sheets also.
Okay.
Yeah. So these are the
Let's
four.
start now.
Yeah.
Okay.
I'll just begin.
In the range of 650.
650.
Okay. There you go. It's like
Yes. This
you
is.
sprinkle the nature around you.
Yeah, this is
beautiful,
this
fern
is
leaves.
very, very nice, and this is king size. If
Acha.
you can see that, how it's just covering all the bed sheets which were below this.
Right. Yeah.
Yes.
Actually, larger than that. Huh?
Yes,
It's largest,
yes,
I guess.
Largest, yes.
Very nice, very close to
thicker,
nature.
Mattresses
Acha.
and bigger beds.
Okay.
Yeah, very easily, So
This
the-
is in the range of
650,
rupees.
yes, 650,
Okay.
yeah,
They,
yeah.
And you said that they are a little thicker in terms of cotton. The fabric is better.
No, this one is glazed cotton.
Oh, glaze cotton.
Yeah, I'll show you one more variety,
Okay.
which is
मुझे एक वो वाला खोल के और वो सेम डिजाइन है क्या जो हमने पहले देखा?
yes,
सेम कलर है. अच्छा.
yeah,
Okay.
same hai.
अच्छा.
Yeah. But if you'll see that these are a little on the lighter color palette.
अच्छा.
Yes,
Okay.
these ones are.
हाँ, they get a little classier side.
Yes,
huh? Little
yes, more
sober side.
pastels and more
Okay.
on that note. Yes.
Okay.
Yeah.
So this is one. I'll show it to my viewers because designs का उनको एक idea आ जाएगा.
Yeah.
इस तरह की हमारे पास बहुत सारे डिजाइन हैं ना?
Yes. Yes. Yeah.
ठीक
Now I'll show you one more in 650,
Uh-huh.
which is into Jaipuri. Okay.
Okay.
The more Jaipuri stick figures,
Okay.
figure prints.
Traditional जयपुरी जो आर्ट होता है.
Yeah, which people are very, very fond of, like this.
Oh,
Again,
okay.
king size.
Uh-huh. Very nice.
This, yes.
अच्छा, this has got a little traditional. It also has human figure.
Yes, stick
But-
figures. Like mostly these are stick figures printed.
Okay.
So these ones more wedding and more
अच्छा.
floral, and again like this one is really nice. Look,
अच्छा.
yeah,
Oh, this is art and culture of India reflected
Yes.
on the bed sheet.
This.
Okay.
like this.
Oh. And this is the patchwork or the face is also printed?
No, it's print.
Printed.
It's
Okay.
print. It's all printed.
Okay.
Yes, 650.
ठीक है.
Yeah.
And now?
Now I'll move towards the casement which you were talking about, the thicker fabric,
In the
but
same-
bigger size.
अच्छा.
The
In
one
this-
which I showed you earlier, that was a little smaller size. This one is
Little
the
bigger.
bigger size of
Okay,
it,
this is the
8 by
biggest
9.
possible.
Yes.
Casement है ये.
Yes, casement. Again, the ones which doesn't go here and there.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay. And we'll see some more color. This
Yes.
price is already we have told to our
Yes,
viewers. This is for
650
rupees
650
casement.
casement, yeah.
Large size with 2 pillow covers.
Yeah,
Okay.
every bed sheet of ours will have 2 pillow covers, like
Okay.
full size pillows.
All right. Do we
Yes.
have single bed sheets as well?
We do have,
Okay,
but
okay.
that comes in pair.
Okay.
Again.
Okay.
Yeah.
So every single bed sheet will have 1 pillow cover along
No,
with it.
I'm saying 2 bed sheets, single
right.
bed sheet
Okay.
and 2 pillow covers.
Okay.
Yes.
This one is in the range same 650.
650, yes. Then now as I told you that, little fancy, which is a little golden foil work comes into
Wow.
this. If you feel you just, get into the little, if you
Close to
zoom
it,
in a
yeah,
bit.
we'll zoom in,
Yes,
yeah.
yes.
Okay. All
Yeah.
right. So this is not print, but this is
Golden
all this-
foil print.
Golden foil. print.
Golden foil print, yes,
Okay.
yes. This is 7 by 9, again
Okay.
semi king size.
So all the bedsheet जो अब हम देख रहे हैं उनमें कहीं ना कहीं सब में गोल्ड का हल्का सा
Yes,
फॉइल वर्क
yes, yes. This
है.
is
Okay. तो ये आप इनको रूटीन में आप यूज कर सकते हैं? ऐसा कुछ नहीं
yeah,
है.
yeah, very easily. These are
अच्छा.
basically more from gifting and
अच्छा.
more, your
Festival के
Diwali
time पे
and
आप इनको,
festivals.
हाँ.
Yeah.
अच्छा.
Yes, this is what.
ठीक है. I think ये बहुत अच्छा ऑप्शन है. People do my favorite one. I'm going to open now.
Yes.
Okay.
Again, if you'll see that
अच्छा.
this is also has golden foil,
Okay.
print.
I was looking at this as well. So
Yeah.
as I was saying that you made me shop now. So this is the one I kind of liked it. This is very nice. I like for the color,
Yeah.
for the print and the unevenness, and it has got a touch of that Indian art.
Yes, sure.
Very
yeah.
very authentic Indian art in this reflecting.
Yes,
with the help
people
of
do
these figures.
have this thing that
fancy for Indian art, right?
Yes, yes.
Okay. And it sells very well outside India as well.
Yeah,
I
yeah,
have
yeah.
seen a lot of people selling in Europe. It sells very well because Indian textile, as you know, as you must be knowing already,
Yeah.
the Indian cotton is famous in the world.
Yeah.
And we are one of the biggest manufacturer of cotton,
manufacturers, yes,
right? Okay.
yes, yes. So
This is very nice. How much
people
is
are, again, 650. The
Okay.
one which I'm showcasing right now is all 650.
650.
Yes, plus 5% GST, of course.
Okay.
And it's wholesale and retail both. Yes, so
Okay.
you can if you want like one single piece, that's also possible.
Uh-huh.
And of course, wholesale is also possible, where we have a lot of quantity.
Okay.
You know, yes, there's no limit to the quantity. I would say that if you want to like buy in bulk and get, and as I told you that you can easily make 40-50% above it, and so it's a great
opportunity.
Yes.
तो जो लोग अपना खुद का बिजनेस स्टार्ट करना चाहते हैं वो भी कनेक्ट हो सकते हैं.
Yes, and especially,
they can
you
buy
know,
in
I
bulk
mean-
and women can do their business from home, right?
Yeah, there are a lot of, as I told you, there are
Housewives are doing
yes,
it?
housewives. About like we have about 6,000 to 7,000 people, connected with us.
Oh, okay.
So yeah, so everybody is excited about. So,
All right. So this is the one we were talking about. Also, you were saying something that Indian textile, Indian cotton is very popular worldwide. You
Yeah,
were saying
yeah.
something about that.
Yeah, I was just saying that people have this inclination towards this traditional things.
Indian art.
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah.
ठीक है. We go to the next one now. This is in the range of
650. Now
650.
650 will end, and I'll move to another one which is 700 now.
Okay.
Yeah.
And this is our next segment.
Yes, this is 700.
Okay.
And 8 by 9.
Uh-huh.
This is Jaipuri cotton only, but different prints.
Oh, okay.
Yes. If I'll showcase you the prints, these are more into like.
Acha, this has got very subtle floral print on it.
Yes.
Okay.
All. And this is a color with the tree one only, the color.
Okay.
Again, floral.
मतलब जो बेस है उसका वही है, बस फ्लोरल
Yes.
का जो ट्री है उसका ये चेंज हो जाता है ना.
So all subtle, all families of cream and white.
ये I just want you to show me this. ये
Yeah.
बहुत अच्छा है. ये एक इसको खोल के दिखाते हैं.
Yes.
क्योंकि ये एक्सपीरियंस अभी जो हमने आपके साथ किया है ये बेडशीट्स को लेके
When you
कि
open
जब
up,
हाँ आपको आइडिया नहीं आ पाता है कि वो उसके अंदर कैसा दिखने वाला है.
Yes.
ये देखिए.
So that's what I'm saying that we are
Oh.
opening 1 or 2 in each variety. And once you tell us that yes, we are interested into this, we'll open and we'll send you everything by opening up
This is
the
very
bedsheet.
nice, very very subtle and beautiful.
Yes.
And flowers are not very loud if you look at. They are not like coming right in the face, right?
So every variety has its own, charm. So this
Right.
is what, more subtle colors, more cream patterns into it.
In
With
the range of?
In the range of 700.
Okay.
Yes.
Going to the next segment now.
Yes.
And the next one. ये कौन सी category में?
Yes, we move a little higher, very little, which is 735 from 700,
Okay.
because we have quilted, pillows with it.
Okay.
So that's the beauty of it. And this is again queen size, 7 by 8, and we have. I'll just show you the colors and
In
the
this-
designs
in the same.
Yes, in the
range.
same. Yeah. So these are
Achha,
very
this comes
beautiful.
along with 2 quilted pillow
Two
covers.
quilted pillow covers, and this is where you will find little colors also. When we were just talking about the last one, it has more whites, but this one is more colorful, more
Acha.
abstract prints into it. 735.
735.
Yes, 735.
735 की रेंज में है ये.
Yes.
735 रुपए का है. हमारे
हाँ जी.
हिंदी के जो व्यूअर्स हैं उनको भी हम साथ में कैटर करते हैं.
हाँ जी,
उनको
735
रुपए का
प्लस
है.
5% GST.
ठीक है.
हाँ जी.
डन. ये भी बहुत अच्छे हैं. ये थोड़े से मॉडर्न के स्टाइल के हैं ना ये.
Yeah.
ओके. ठीक है. डन. आई थिंक वी हैव ओपनड क्वाइट अ फ्यू ऑफ देम.
Yes.
अब हम नेक्स्ट रेंज देखेंगे. कौन सा रेंज देखेंगे?
Now we'll move to 750.
ओके.
Yes, we are moving
सिर्फ
to.
15 रुपीस का फर्क है इसमें.
Yeah. This
Okay.
is king size.
अच्छा.
King size, and again cotton bed sheets with different designs,
Okay.
different patterns, but again the light color family.
अच्छा. ठीक है.
Yeah, light color family into this.
ठीक है. अब वंस अगेन जेंटल रिमाइंडर, जो हम ऑनलाइन देखते हैं या फिर आप बाकी स्टोर्स में रिटेल में आप देखते हैं,
Yeah.
तो ये आपको जो 750 का भी हम देख रहे हैं, दिस कम्स द रेंज ऑफ
About
लाइक 1500
1,000 plus for sure.
Okay, for
yes,
sure.
Yes.
Okay, so people
because the
those who
kind
are-
of quality there, it's very good. It's pure cotton. It's king size. Your those
No matter how thick your mattress is.
Mattresses
Okay.
is, yes, it's
So
easily.
people-
So don't worry about the size for sure.
Okay, so all the women, those who want to get associated, even for men,
Yeah.
those who want to get associated for business,
Yes.
they can easily resell it. They can sell it for like 1,200 rupees.
Yes, so
Okay.
1,000 plus, 1,000,
can easily
1,100,
sell.
1,200, easily,
Okay.
possible. Yeah.
Right. And this is the next range or same range?
Yes, no, this is 800. This is in Jaipuri king size.
Super good.
Yeah, Jaipuri king size 9 by 9. Again, this is a very beautiful print with a lot of other designs also available. But this is Jaipuri king size.
Okay.
Yes.
Oh, this is
one is-
again is because it's Jaipuri. It has more of indigos and blues and pinks and
Yes.
a lot of greens.
Yes. With white base.
Okay.
Yeah. So like.
अच्छा जयपुर का
this.
अपना एक स्टाइल है ये देखिए यहाँ पे ना
Yeah,
कि इनका
yeah.
बेस जो है आपने सही बोला कि एक वाइट बेस होता है और बाकी सारे डिजाइन्स एंड पैटर्न्स उसके ऊपर कलर्स
The
में बनते
colors
हैं.
is what they
Right.
play with
So
on the white
this one
base.
is pink, this one is little orange, and this one is indigo blue.
Yes, yes.
Right. I like these ones. These are very nice.
Yeah,
pure
yeah.
white base and
yeah,
then
yeah. So, and
off-white
these
actually.
are more of pastel colors, which we have specifically, requested the manufacturers to get done for us.
Oh, especially designed for you?
Yes, yes.
Okay.
These are like very rarely found,
Uh-huh.
and so these are on the white base. You'll get such colors very rarely.
Okay.
So like different designs, different patterns.
Oh, okay.
So these, yeah.
Cool. All right, time to sign off now.
Yes,
And before
for
we
this video. But we have a part 2. Yes, yeah.
Okay, before we sign off, it's important to ask a couple of basic questions. To start with, how to shop?
Yeah. So we offer both online and offline. Online, as we told you, that there will be a WhatsApp number which will be,
Flashing on the screen.
flashing on the screen in the description. You just have to message us. We have a team. You want to take a screenshot, or you want to tell us that in this range you are looking for bed sheets. We will show you the whole range in that thing.
Category.
Yes, in that category. If you want to take a screenshot, just take a screenshot, mark it up, and we'll showcase you that. By opening it up and making you satisfied to the T.
Okay.
Then there is offline. Offline, we, as I told you, that we are in Chandni Chowk, Old Delhi. So there is Bikaner Wala, very everybody
Famous.
knows, very famous. You just reach there, give us a call, and we'll just send somebody, and they'll
To
navigate.
escort them.
Yes,
Okay.
and they'll navigate to our shop.
Okay.
Also, one more request that because it's a wholesale shop. So there are and there will be many a times that there will be a lot of people, or you might get some waiting. So it is preferably preferred that you give us a call, book a slot with us, or tell us that this time will be coming. So we'll make sure that you don't have to wait. So
Okay, book a slot, kind of
book a slot. Yes,
Okay.
yes. I want to come on Monday at 3 o'clock or 3 to 4. I'll not basically catch you with that you didn't come at 3 o'clock. But yes,
Okay, yeah. It's easy.
Yes.
It's about being convenient.
Yes.
All right.
Yeah.
Okay.
Because there are times when there is festive. There are times when there is a lot of waiting. So we don't want to lose
Your time, your
yes,
precious time.
yes,
Otherwise,
yes.
you will spend a lot of time waiting.
Yeah.
So, अगर हम देखें broadly, आपने बताया जिस तरह से दो तरह के कस्टमर हैं जो बल्क में खरीदना चाहते हैं और जो रिटेल में खरीदना चाहते हैं.
Yes.
फिर दूसरे वो हैं जो दिल्ली एनसीआर में पर्सनली विजिट करना चाहते हैं तो आपको कांटेक्ट करके
There are
slot
in
पे आ
fact
जाएं.
like people coming. Most of it actually not Delhi NCR. They come from out of Delhi.
Okay.
Yeah,
Oh, just
and
to shop.
especially for them, this slot is very, very important because they have a long list
Okay.
to complete, right?
All right.
So there are both Delhi NCR and then like out of Delhi.
Okay.
Out of Delhi people.
Those who are sitting outside Delhi NCR, and if they want to place an order, they can book for one bed sheet or they can book for multiple bed
Yes,
sheets.
yes.
And all the designs, I am not sure about you, but most of the time we mention this. This
Yeah.
is again the price and the pattern designs all are subjected to the availability of the product. Maybe somebody is
Yes.
watching this video 1 year down the line and you may not have those designs.
Yeah.
I'm not sure.
Yeah, so that's why
do
you can
face these kind of situations.
Of course, yes, we
Okay.
do, and people are very picky that we want that only.
Okay.
But trust me, with the time the variety will
Things
be
change.
better.
Correct.
Will get better, and we also trying to grow each day. So
Okay.
trust me, if you're watching this one year down the line,
Okay.
you're not getting this, but trust me, that's the better one which you're getting. so
You've got something better to do.
Yes,
Okay.
yes. So you tell us the range,
Yeah.
and we'll tell you, available, not available. Most of the time it is because
Okay.
we have a lot of quantity.
Okay.
But of course, that if somebody picks the whole lot, then of course we can't do. But yes.
Cool.
Yeah.
And this offer, the kind of the prices we have been saying this during the video also.
Yeah.
This is kind of you're getting almost at the 50% of the market price.
Yes, I'm
They're
sure
very
you
cheap.
have also experienced the
Yeah,
same.
yeah,
that,
we have
you
been
know,
using these kind of bedsheets.
yeah,
and
because
mat
people
covers as
do,
well.
you know, shop from malls and online also these days, and people do feel that, you know, if it's a big, you know,
It's a big investment in a way.
Yes,
Okay.
yes.
So people, those who are into interior business, hoteliers, or maybe hospital owners, or maybe those who run PGs in hostels, college, restaurants,
Yeah.
even wherever there is a stay.
Yeah.
People staying in multiple numbers. For
and
them, I
thankfully,
think it's a
like,
wonderful
things are
job.
opening up, so
Right.
travel wise also, yeah.
Cool.
Yeah.
Pleasure talking to you. Thanks a
Yes.
lot for walking out of the domain and showing us around. And it was
Yeah.
fabulous talking to you. Fantabulous.
Thank you. Yeah.
Thanks a lot for sharing.
Yeah, so this
sparing
is what
time
we
out.
want, like your comfort, you know,
Right.
wherever you guys are comfortable.
Right.
We'll try to, you know,
Yeah.
customer service you till that. Yeah.
Right, and entire discourse was held in English deliberately to reach out to the maximum number of people. हालांकि हमने बीच-बीच में हिंदी में भी बात की थी.
Yes, yes,
And,
yes. But don't worry, we have, like, once
Hindi
you'll
clients
call
as-
and
हाँ.
whatever, we'll
We
you
have
know,
Hindi clients as
yes, yes. we
ठीक
will.
है. All the bedsheets जो भी आपने price mention किए थे, GST and transportation charges is not
Are-
included.
yes,
Just once
are
again.
above. Yes,
Right?
yes.
Thank you very much.
Thank you so much.
Thank you very.